Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashville, we have the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. This one's a pretty cool spec, illuminated emblem, of course, which I've always been a fan of. This one has the Turbo 4, 255 horse, 273 pound-feet of torque. I'm gonna head inside because there are trucks everywhere right now. So, do have the original sticker on this example, polar white over black, dark gray linden wood trim. Let's see, built in Alabama. That is pretty cool. So the transmission came from Germany, the engine was built in the USA, and yeah, this was built in Alabama. So this thing's more American than the Dodge Challenger, which is built in Canada. So that's pretty funny. 2-liter Turbo 4, 255 horse, 273 pound-feet, 9G Tronic, 9-speed. This one has the 19-inch wheels, which I believe are the base wheels, extended mobility tires, run flats, heated steering wheel, the trailer hitch, crystal gray headliner. Let's see, illuminated running boards, and only big pack is parking assist pack with the surround view camera. Overall, pretty nice place to be. Lots of different storage options available. Pretty comfortable cockpit. This one does, of course, have navigation. No Sirius XM. Very odd choice from Mercedes, but it is what... I forgot it does that. Cancel.
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Cancel. Forgot it does that. So, I obviously can't say the brand. But, obviously, big addition for the redesign was this massive screen. And I'm all for it if you make the graphics and everything very user-friendly, and that is the case here. You have two options to scroll through your menus. You can use this touchpad down here, but it also is touch sensitive. So this here is your vehicle. It tells you steering angle, but we're gonna activate the engine. We are in sport mode with the sport display. You also can access how to change all your designs and displays through here. But actually, I do want to show off the camera. Obviously, a round view camera, you have more camera angles than some action movies. So very, very cool, easy to use. You can tell this 2-liter 4 is a very torque-focused motor. It actually has more torque than horsepower. You know, unless you're looking at an AMG, I think that's the way a normal car should be. You don't have to dig for the power. All of the torque is down low. Turbo spools up pretty quickly. It's actually, I think it goes up to like 20 psi, a little over 20 psi is what I've seen, which is a lot of boost, but spools up pretty quickly. It is a smaller turbo, so it doesn't take much to get it spooled up. In sport mode, it has no problem holding shifts. This 9-speed's a pretty good transmission, torque converter auto, not a dual clutch, which in this application I think suits it a little bit better. have paddle shifters behind the wheel. You know, this isn't a bad car at all. I've actually really enjoyed my time in it. The redesign has definitely made an impact on it. The previous design was a little bit dated, but most redesigns before they happen, the previous gen looks a little dated. That's the reason why redesigns exist. What are you doing there, you turkey? Oh, that thing's paying possum. Alright, I'm all done with animal jokes, I think. Overall, yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. I loved the previous GLE. It was a really, really good car. This continues to be a good car, and I kind of casted a bad light on this system. So hey, Mercedes. Really? Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn on passenger heated seat.
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Whoa, that acts fast. Okay. I already started to feel the seat warmer. Okay. So it'll take a little bit of getting used to, but it's a pretty good system for basic functions, you know, like adjusting climate control, stuff like that. You know, you have to word things very, very precisely, I should say, but overall it's a pretty decent system for what it is. And this was one of the first generations of it, so it's obviously going to get better with time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.